Thank you so much for tuning back into Valley News Live. Taking a look outside to West Fargo. You can see that beautiful orange sunset here, but otherwise our temperatures are still sitting on the cooler side for us here in Fargo. We're sitting at 57 degrees with those winds out of the north-northwest at just 9 miles an hour. Still with some higher humidity sitting at 64%, but otherwise for most of us, for our temperatures, we're sitting a lot of us are sitting in those 50s. A few of us still in those 60s, like Aberdeen, South Dakota, sitting at exactly 60, but we also have other areas like Baudette sitting at 54 and even Bemidji sitting at 50 on the cooler side of our area, with plenty of cloud coverage. Now, most of us are seeing some cloud coverage, and that's going to continue to move throughout the valley over the next couple hours. And you can see that here on our hour-by-hour forecast, that cloud coverage is going to continue to move to the south, at least the clouds we're seeing right now. We're going to see another bit of some clouds, some higher level clouds continue to move from the west to the east, and that's going to be mostly for the southern area. But we're also going to continue to have our temperatures on the cooler side in those 40s, and even by tomorrow morning, we're still going to have another chance for some morning fog in areas of Lakes Country. Now, this is going to be areas like Roseau County, including areas like Thief River, stretching through Lake of the Woods, Baudette, and even down through Bemidji, with temperatures already in those 30s. Once again, another cooler morning for most of us, but otherwise everyone else is going to stay in those 40s. It's going to be another warmer day tomorrow with most of us in those 50s. A few of us might see some 60s with some scattered showers continuing to push throughout the northern valley in areas along that eastern part of that Highway 2 corridor. And even by tomorrow evening, we do get a decrease in some of those scattered cloud coverage. But this week, we're seeing another chance of a stronger storm. Now, this is just one model. On Wednesday, we're going to see round one push through. Now, that is going to have some chances of some rain and snow mix for most of us, but then we have another chance of some rain and snow pushing through Friday into Saturday. Now, this model is going to be the European, or this is going to be the American, and this one has more snow rather than some rainfall. But otherwise, we still wanted to give you that first alert update for that chance of some mixed precipitation later on this week. And even for your Pro-Seed 3-day farming forecast over the next couple days, we're going to have those temperatures staying in those 60s and even 40s by Wednesday, when we start to see that mix of that rain and those scattered showers and even some snow arrive on Wednesday, and then the heavier band arrives on Thursday, still with our temperatures slowly on the decrease in those 30s. So sorry, Zoe and Reed, but yes, I did say the S word, snow. But otherwise, after that, it doesn't look like it's going to accumulate too much, as the ground is already super warm after another warm summer we had. I know, I said
I'm upset with you.
I'm so
at the dropping
upset.
of the
It's not looking like it's going to accumulate because it's so warm. But yes, there is a chance.
It's that chance that
I love
is
how you're
just
trying to make it a positive. I love how
it.
she's trying to
I'm
make it a
trying to make
positive.
it positive.
It's not going to accumulate.
It's the end of October, so it's kind of around
It's coming
time.
whether we like it or not.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shelby. Well, still ahead, the